So in this part of the reports section of my QuickBooks Online guide, I'm going to go through how to automate your reports. So firstly, I'm just going to do a recap. We're going to go back over to reports on the left-hand side. And here you get your list of reports. Now the idea behind automated reports is you can have them automatically sent by email to yourself and members of your staff if you want them to see a certain report each week, each month, and you can specify all of that within QuickBooks. So I'm going to use the report I created in the last video. So that's a custom report here in the tab. And we made a report called Profit and Loss for the quarter. Now we made a group here called Customized Reports, which is currently showing as unscheduled. However, we now want to automate it so it is scheduled at a regular basis. We're going to click on Edit in the Action column, and we're going to switch the toggle Set Email Schedule to On. Here you can set the reoccurrence repeats, so if you wanted that daily, in this example we want it to be monthly, and we want it to go out on the 1st of every month. You can also set an end date if you want that to stop sending after a certain amount of time as well. So here you can input the email addresses that you want to send the report to. So this could be members of staff or management, whoever you want the report to be seen by. And here you can give it a suitable header. So this will be the subject of the email that is sent out. So I'm going to call this Profit and Loss for the quarter. And then here is the body of the email. So you could put in here whatever you would like to. So you can edit this as you wish. And then you've got a little tick box down here to ask whether you want to attach the report as an Excel file, or alternatively, you can send it in the body of the email. Once you're happy with that, you can click Save and Close. And you can now see that this column says every month. That means this report will be sent out on a monthly basis on the 1st of every month.